How's it going, guys? We're back with another video. Today we have the JETech tempered glass screen protector for the iPad 10.2 inch. This is an ultra clear, scratch resistant, protective tempered glass screen protector that's really nice. So now let's get it on and check it out. Here in the box we have our instructions. There's a microfiber cloth. We have a dust removal sticker. We have hinge stickers, a screen protecting lifting sticker, a dust absorber. Here's the squeeze card. And we have a cleaning wet wipe. Before you start, you should wash your hands to remove any oil and dirt. Here we're going to apply the two hinge stickers onto the back of the iPad. Now that the hinge stickers are on, we're going to align the screen protector with the protective film side facing on top of the iPad. You want to make sure your home button cutout here lines up perfectly around the home button. Now we're going to attach the hinge stickers to the front of the screen protector. You want to double check here to make sure all of your sides are lined up and straight. Now we're going to put on a lifting sticker. This is used to open and close the protective screen protector like a book without having to touch it. Now that we have it open, we'll clean the iPad first with the wet wipe. Now we'll wipe it down with the microfiber cloth. Here we'll use the dust removal sticker to remove any excess dust. Now we'll remove the protective film from the screen protector. You just want to gently pull back this red tab. Now we're going to apply the screen protector to the iPad, making sure to keep it straight, and you will see it to begin to adhere to the screen. Now you want to gently swipe from the bottom to the center to help it along and move out any air. careful removing the stickers so that you don't pull up on the screen protector. Now you can use the squeeze card to push out any bubbles. Just double check your edges, making sure everything is lined up and all the bubbles are out, and enjoy your protected iPad.